Hi, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Now the Pidgin English Cook TV. Obviously, I want to take knife cut anybody. Now the lime challenge and the baking powder challenge. Now we still there. You know, so I don't say for that video say I want clean this mark within my face. This stain mancha within my face because why? You know, coincide with the other side of part of my face. You see. So at times if I not put makeup, it will make my face stay different. Not be saying a problem that I want at least make clean. Yeah, we can't be like yeah. I want make be like okay, for my face. Not be say anything, but I want me be like that, okay? Maybe it's like they darker. Can't they my normal brown skin, okay? So now make me one video now. I'm fed up do some video down, but I will upload them. Because my phone, it just I don't know where to they worry. They like green download because it says face no there. I don't try to delete them, but no way. So not what I go do now. Then to continue with my lime challenge. See this thing I buy for my Cardona. Supermercado and Cardona. Now for buying. It be like some €1 something that day. Very cheap. Baking soda. It's actually plenty, not be small. Although I see the result. You don't see my body. See my body when I use and take wash, they can scrub all my back, they can scrub all my neck. See, no sense. It look shiny, look nice. This one a camera will not see like filter. Natural. Just they wake up so. See my hair. Just they wake up. Never do anything. So although I they cook some food, trust me now. So I did cook some food for kitchen, some food. Now I carry go work and say we can just snap this video before I will go bath. See bedroom I did so may I continue with my challenge. Lime and baking soda when I buy from the Cardona supermarkets. You guys see as it come out, but I did see result shine. You see my face. I say it can't be smooth, can't be just be okay. You understand? Because that's what I want to make it be. Okay? Although make we see as this challenge will be. Today, now they make the 4th day when they use this challenge, when they use this thing. So I say I will use them for 2 weeks. Like I say as it will be. If you go feel me clean this thing, come on. Although I did see some results. You know, you just use something one day. Go just be as if say now so it just be no, you will use at least 2 weeks. Any cream, anything you buy, use at least 2 weeks to see the results. You understand? Not be say once I don't give up. No, cream nothing work like that for your body for 1 week or 2 days or 3 days. At least you will they master your skin first and all before you go say you give up. So now make me want use it for 2 weeks. Like I see the result of this lime and the carbonato. Okay. So, see, you want to cut this thing. Don't go cut your hand though. You have to be careful when you are cutting. You have to be careful. See, don't cut them. We'll keep this one apart maybe for tomorrow. The knife apart. See, lime. The lime, pure lime. Seed there. The seed. This it. Even the lime as it didn't enter my mouth safe. That's all water just they come out from my mouth like say I want lick the lime. If they do me like say maybe I want lick the lime. The way water till they gather from my mouth because the thing they evaporate from my nose. So now it still be this thing I want to talk. So many of this gel where they use tube bleaching cream, some people they use. If you rub them for face, you go they come out from inside your mouth. See this line now. I never even test them, but indirectly be like say this in my mouth. The way my mouth they bitter, the way my mouth they bring water, it be like say they eat them just because of say they close to me. That is why anything where you put for your body, you get to wash them very well. you get to look am very well, because everything wey you dey put for body still dey go inside your blood, dey go inside your skin, dey go everywhere. E no be only your skin, but dey go direct to your system. So na so e be. I remember one time when person tell me say make I buy one gel for this my face. When I rub out the gel for my face, I come dey notice say the gel dey come out for inside my mouth. I dey feel the cream inside my mouth. So na make me stop am. I come say I go use this natural remedy. At least lime, e no dey kill, e no dey cause cancer, e no dey cause damages to skin. It will always enhance and help your skin from one way or the other. So now I say make I use this one. Baking soda, we dey use am until they cook. They use am until they bake. Now they do damages. I make me say make I use am. Okay, now we start. I don't put am for cook bath. At least you do something, they see the results. You better pass it. Not they see the result. So, see, as you put am, see, as you put am, the thing go just do go up like that. So when we start, when I start from here, because now here I want now I want first for now here for one the result, where the rest no problem, they okay. But now here I want to remove the mancha, the stain for my face. Okay, don't bath. You don't bath. Okay, we'll start. This thing go hear word for this one. Go hear win. Go hear win. Be like say they exfoliate your face. All this your mania all go come up for your face. All this way no want. You know they will vanish from your face. Now let her enter your eye. Oh. Now let her enter your eye. You all take careful for your eye. Make it not enter. Say this one. Go for this big one. Go for come out. Waiting. I don't want to put for my neck today because it's sleeping down. Why isn't they sleep tomorrow when I come from work today? See, so see as it come be person use them. This thing you fit use them for your armpits. So no say we they use one stone they kill two birds. So when we use that for our armpits, this has to just throw away. No, not be so. This I want it to be. Yeah. No worry, I will wash the sleeping cloth as I want bath. So if this is on, don't. If anyone die on this is on, don't. And just do the scrubbing. So the other armpit. This armpit too, so I will point out the just here. So the line. I have to go bath now. When I bath finish, I will show now after how the thing can go. May I go look what I put for fire before I go burn. You don't bath. You don't bath. So may I go bath. Look what I put for fire. Then I will show now the result. How far the thing go. Okay? I love now. I don baff this one at the end. The wetin we see for day 4. So I wan go work now. If you know say you never subscribe to this channel, abeg do subscribe and like my video. Thank you. And if you don't subscribe before, stay blessed. I love you. And the PG English speak to you with this. I love you.